altcoins and cryptocurrencies are dropping, as we do have MicroStrategy in liquidation crisis panic mode right now in terms of what could happen next. Their product Stretch, which gives you fixed Bitcoin yield, has been, dumping down, guys, and depegging from the 100 peg. But is this a potential buying opportunity in altcoins, or is it absolutely over for the crypto market, guys? And are we not going to ever see another bull market again? I am your host, Jordan. Nothing on this video is financial advice, so always do your own research. Let's jump into everything like that. And also on here, we have the fear and greed index is 17 today. So people are really terrified of even stepping foot or dipping a toe into this market, because they don't want to get, their asses handed to them and get liquidated, of course, like along with everything else. In fact, we see every coin in the red. It's not looking too good for any of the crypto altcoins. So if we take a bit of a closer look here at NIA protocol, we did see recently NIA look quite good, okay, because we saw Zcash, Hyperliquid, NIA, okay, and some other promising tokens going up. Because as you can see here, not many coins have done this during the bear market rally, but this did have a pump back up here. So it's now created down and created kind of bull flag thing here. But could this continue going up, or is it going to go back down first? We could end up seeing bear market lows here. Like if NIA protocol drops under this sideways level and then breaks down here even lower, then that's not good. We could be seeing new lows, right? New lows for NIA protocol. However, the upside, guys, the upside for this project is something to be aware of, because if Bitcoin does flip bullish, then this is one of the fastest movers at the moment. Now, if we can go on to NIA on Binance, we can see a bit of a longer term chart for this one. There we go, that's better. And now if we take a look at the all-time high, we can see it is very far away. So NIA has a product, NIA Intense, which gives you ZK privacy features across all chains, guys, allowing you to do basically, I think it's confidential, right? Confidential transactions. So it's like a privacy narrative, but to do that across all of the chains. And guys, take a look at this, right? So we do have 1000% available here. In terms of the upside for NIA, that is a 10x potential opportunity for this if it goes back up in a bull market. Of course, it would have to break this level here first, which has been local and recent resistance, and of course all of these resistant levels. Basically, the one that we're actually at now is this long-term sideways level. So if we break that, then we can try and get up to here, this next level, and if we break that, then we could hopefully explode to all-time high, and this could be a good one for the next bull market. All of this is depending on the market conditions. Now, if we check out, where is the other one? Here it is, Hyperliquid in the market. This could be another golden opportunity in altcoins. Now, this is all the way up at the moment, and we did see its recent all-time high. So this is actually kind of in an uptrend, which is quite interesting. So during this whole bearish time, we have seen Hyperliquid go all the way up here and make new highs. So this is the all-time high for Hyperliquid, which only happened on June the 17th, guys, which is just a week ago. So just a week ago, we saw an all-time high for Hyperliquid. Now it's coming down now with a correction, but this could be a sideways range now like this before we make the new high and continue this upward trend rally. So these are two very strong altcoin plays to keep your eye on for the next bull market. Now, the altcoin season indicator is still 49 out of 100. Let's actually go and check altcoins dominance and Bitcoin dominance over here in the crypto market cap chart, right? And in fact, we can check Ethereum against Bitcoin as well, for example, which is the largest beta play in terms of altcoins against Bitcoin. And we can see that this is now trending down again, right? So we can see that Ethereum against Bitcoin, if we zoom out on the long term, we did just have this temporary spike, which was here. So Ethereum hit a bottom against Bitcoin around April 2025, so just over a year ago. Then we had this spike up here, right? But then we've been slowly trending back down again. And so if this goes lower than this point, then that could be the end of Ethereum's dominance against Bitcoin and Ethereum's outperformance of Bitcoin as it starts to underperform the rest of the market. And then we have Bitcoin dominance broadly is looking strong, steadily, and going sideways. If this goes up, altcoins will dump down. And if this goes down, then that could be a start of a new altcoin season in terms of their performance against Bitcoin. So keep that in mind if you want to make profit in crypto and you want to know when is the best time to get into altcoins. I've always follow us here on this channel as we keep you guys up to date and ahead of the market with all of the latest market movements, important market movements with charts like this, and when they break critical structures on here. Like as you can see, the total crypto market cap, okay, has just broken this massive long-term sideways support here. As you can see right here, let's zoom zoom in very clearly for you guys to see that we have just broken below it. So that is not a good sign, right? If we really do continue closing below this for a, long period of time, like something like this happens, we come down here and start closing below it, then it would now become resistance and we might bounce off of this and head lower. So be careful about that, because if that happens, all of the altcoin, in fact, all of the crypto in the whole of the market will continue going into a longer term bear market trend. And we do have some of the other charts here, like altcoin others dominance, altcoin dominance, and the total 3. So these are the total altcoin market caps and the total altcoins excluding stable coins. They are also all trending, kind of bearish and down. The total 2 is also bearish and down. So really Bitcoin again continues to be the safest, if you will, blue chip in cryptocurrency, the blue chip asset to be in long-term bear markets. So keep that in mind. So thank you guys so much for your amazing support here on this channel, and we'll see you again soon in the next videos right here, guys, on this channel.